2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, center armrest, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.